We're live.
Get out of the way. Get out of the way. He's gonna think we're all nuts. Yeah.
Morning. Morning. Hi.
What is down there? Oh, we were watching a party.
Merry
Merry
Christmas.
Christmas.
Can you say Merry Christmas?
Look at the man, you see him?
What is over there? Huh? What is that?
It got something in my eye.
Come here.
I can see. What did you say? I don't
What
quite
is,
know.
what is all this?
Did Santa come? Not yet.
Yeah,
Yes, he
did.
did.
Look what he brought you.
I know.
He brought you a bike.
Look.
He brought you a tool set. That's all for you from Santa.
He's never
We're opening this big car first.
Oh,
Big
yeah.
car first.
Alright.
Look at that. Do you like that? You want to open it? Look at everything else you got. Look at that bike, Jerry. Is that your bike? Yes.
Yeah, look at that bike.
Yes.
Are those your tools over there? There's no pedals yet.
No pedals yet. How old are you?
How did you know that? It's they got it.
But do you like it that Santa brought it
Sit
for
on it.
you? Sit on it.
No, it's supposed to help you.
It's okay, sit on it. We're gonna show
You know how you push your fire engine?
So you just lift your feet up.
For real?
No.
You saw it?
Here, come here, sit on it.
But it's done.
Okay.
Yeah, right. It's all over.
Right.
I need your red cars.
Yeah.
Wait, Jerry, what is this?
Nice.
Oh, it is?
You have to go look at your stocking. Look what Santa put in your stocking.
Look,
Cool.
Santa left you some things in your stocking.
Sit down and pull them out.
Ooh, we got a big piece of candy.
Yes. What else is in there?
Oh, stickers.
Okay, little sticker book. Okay, what's the, what's that? Huh?
Candy cane.
More candy cane.
Or do you have a good angle?
What's
Very
that?
good,
Oh,
Amy.
temporary tattoos, don't care. Oh, look, he left it. Oh, is there more? I think that's all.
Here you go, Mandy.
Okay. Look, this is for you to open. It says to Jerry from Santa. You better open it. Here, pull right.
What's in there?
I don't know, open it. Keep opening it.
You see what it is?
What is it? It's new underwear. Huh? Well, what do you think about this? Look.
Calvin Klein, wasn't
You don't like it.
You have a tool bench like Daddy does.
I know. Yeah, you have a tool bench like Daddy. What do you think?
That's pretty
Look at that hammer.
Look. No, is it too early? Huh? Can you
Yeah.
open it? Indy. That's great.
Morning, buddy.
Okay, open this.
Can you say Merry Christmas?
Can you say Merry
You can
Christmas?
open it.
Here.
Do you know who this is? Jerry.
Got a new car.
You got a new car.
Yes.
Do you know who this is?
Yeah.
Brett.
I got
It's going to be on the floor in about 2 seconds once you do that.
If I open all of it, yeah.
Today you raced too fast today one day.
Wow.
We'll give it to him.
Okay.
What do you think about that bike, Jerry?
We're
You like the bike?
Pretty cool.
Behind you.
Yeah, it doesn't have pedals.
I sure like that
I
bike,
don't think you
Jerry.
do. I don't think you
Are
do.
we really opening that?
Well, Dad, why don't you show him his bike?
Filling it? I think it's definitely
Hey.
this side.
Come here. Sit
Hey.
up here. I want to see something. Let's see if it's the right one. Put your leg over here. Put one leg over here. Lift this leg up for a second. Lift it up. There you go.
Jeez.
I was trying to throw it on the couch.
Okay, now. Now
Very
hold
good
the steering wheel.
throw.
Look at that now. Now push yourself forward a little bit. You know how you do in your car?
Push.
See, it goes around. Not yet. No, you just push with this one. Next one you get.
With your feet, push it with your feet.
You like it?
Yeah.
Look at this. You can pop wheelies. It's a specialized, buddy.
Too many things.
Come here. Come here.
Yeah.
Okay, can you say Merry Christmas?
Merry
Okay.
Christmas.
Sounds like Linus. Merry Christmas.
Bye bye.
Open this toy mat.